All right, before that IRS payment hits your bank account, here's how we cancel it. Whether you used IRS Direct Pay, EFTPS, TurboTax, or you're on an installment agreement with the IRS. Hey everyone, my name's Anthony Fontana. I'm with EA Tax Resolutions. And if you accidentally scheduled a payment with the IRS or you got a change of plans and you need to cancel or modify that payment, we're going to take you step by step on how to get that done. Let's go. All right, so for all of these methods here, we need 2 business days in order for us to cancel the payment. If it's shorter than that and you're trying to cancel the payment, it will not work. The workaround here is essentially to contact the bank and have them put a stop to the payment. All right, so if you made a payment through IRS Direct Pay, this is essentially their guest checkout version to make a payment. You don't need a login or anything like that. Then you would first start with obtaining the confirmation of the payment because we will need this confirmation number in order to cancel the payment. Another place you can look for this confirmation number is in your email. You'll get an email that kind of looks like this after you schedule the payment, and you'll find that confirmation number there. Once you've obtained that, you would go to IRS.gov, click on this little pay banner, the direct pay option here, right? Pay individual tax, I would click on. Then going to scroll down to this look up a personal tax payment here. Then right here, I would have to put the confirmation number from when we essentially scheduled the payment. So we'd have to put that in there and your social security number right here, and then click that look up payment button. The IRS is then going to have you verify your ID, very common. One thing you do have to make sure you are aware of though is you'll have to pick a tax year for verification and use the information from that tax return when you fill out the information down here, like your filing status, name, social, and address. Now, once you get through that section, it'll say, it'll found your payment, essentially is what it is. And you would just click this cancel payment button down here. Then you'll get this little review page here. You could send your confirmation of your email or not, hit that cancel payment button down here, and then voila, here's your confirmation that your payment got canceled. All right, now if you used EFTPS.gov to schedule a payment, it's same rule apply. You needed 2 business days prior to canceling it. And this is how we would do it. We'd log into your EFTPS account. You're going to click on this little payments tab up here at the top, and then, click on this cancel a tax payment. You'll be able to see the payment that you have scheduled right here. And essentially all you got to do is hit this little red X button to cancel. Then it's going to go over like a little review. You click this little cancel payment, and then boom, you've canceled your payment on EFTPS. Now, if you use your IRS.gov account to either get on an installment agreement or to schedule a payment, you would just log into your IRS.gov account and cancel it there. So let's see how that looks here. You're going to go to IRS.gov, obviously. Behind where my little face is, there's a sign here button. You click this individual button there, and then sign in with ID.me. Once you're signed in, you would just click on this little payments tab here at the top. Click payment activity would be one of the options. And then you'll see your scheduled or pending payments. And then, simple as that, you would just hit cancel to cancel that payment. And if you're on an installment agreement, it would be the same exact page here where you would cancel that installment agreement direct debit that you have scheduled. If you scheduled a payment through a tax preparation software like TurboTax or your tax accountant did it on their software, then the only way to cancel this is essentially calling the IRS, again, 2 business days prior to the scheduled payment withdrawal to cancel that payment. Now, if it's too late and we miss this 2 business day window here to cancel, and we're really close to the scheduling time of your payment, then essentially we have to call the bank to cancel the payment. This will trigger a dishonored payment penalty with the IRS, unfortunately. But if you go ahead and make the payment, maybe not too long after that, there is a way to abate this penalty because maybe you had reasonable cause, like you really needed the money for that little period of time. If you're dealing with IRS debt, tax notices, payments, and you need some help, click the link in the description below to schedule a call to see if we can help you out. And of course, like, share, subscribe, guys. Thank you so much.